Beautiful Diva the boxer. They're not swimmers. I got to think bulldogs are even worse.
They are. They sink. They're like lead weight, Paul.
Well, there you go. You do use your flotation devices. Hey, I never think about pets getting pneumonia. We have, these seasonal illnesses that we humans worry about, but our pets, we're worried about them too.
Right. Pets can get pneumonia just like people. Now's the season. Weather's changing. So make sure to take care of your pets. Keep them warm, safe, and dry through the winter months.
It seems like the obvious question is, how do I know if my pet broadly is ill, and specifically, why would I suspect pneumonia?
Well, a lot of times people don't see the symptoms of pneumonia until it's too late, especially in these guys. These pigs here, if you can believe it, Paul, they get pneumonia relatively easy. Just like in people, if you hear them coughing or sneezing and nasal discharge, a runny eye, things of that nature, can be huge. And goats too, yes, goats too get it. I mean, all species can get the flu. Doesn't necessarily mean it's the same kind of flu that people get, although there are flus that can be transmitted back and forth. So you want to make sure, keep your pets safe and dry through the months. And also, I really like to recommend immune system supports. There's some great ones out on the market. They specifically say immune supplements. Check with your veterinarian. Again, make sure there's also vaccines as well. Your veterinarian will know about those as well. Before I forget, I want to mention too, I have a radio program starting, or it started actually last Wednesday. It's tacdradio.com, and we'll answer all kinds of questions to pet owners. It's an internet radio broadcast.
That's fantastic. What a great resource.
Yeah, great opportunity for people who, maybe could save a trip to the vet, because you can answer their questions. So TAC-D Radio online will find you Wednesday nights, 9 to 9:30. I got to go back. I have to apologize because you caught me chuckling when I said pig pneumonia because it struck me as funny. But, you said you want to find it before it's too late. I assume that means this is something that can kill our animals, right?
Absolutely. It can be deadly in your pets, so you want to make certain to get your pet checked out by your veterinarian. Do a flu season pet check. I think that's a great idea. Right before all the cold weather starts, rain, have your pet taken to the veterinarian, have them check them out, make sure they're up to date on their vaccines and they're healthy.
Okay, so is this something that our farmers have to really be aware of? If they have one pig that gets pneumonia, can all the pigs end up getting sick?
You bet. It's all transmitted through aerosol route as well. Just like in people, it can be devastating to some of the pig farms. It can be devastating to your pet pigs. Pet pigs are very prone to pneumonia, and they actually can get, it's a nasty disease. It can actually distort their nose so much so that they can't breathe. They call it atrophic rhinitis, and they get a lot of nasal discharge and eye discharge. So very common in pigs. You want to make sure to take care of them, especially if they're outside in the winter months.
All right, we wish the pigs well. And Dr. Jill, it's always a pleasure talking to you, and I look forward to your radio show, and I want to get the address out again. It's TACD, T-A-C-D Radio, tacdradio.com. Wednesday night starting at 9, and otherwise, if you want to schedule an appointment with the good doctor, check out our website. It's drjill.com, J-Y-L, drjill.com, or call her up any old time, 916-989-0738.